Here I am on MrThevegaTV, ready to test the fire alarm.
Yeah, we're just. Yeah. We are here.
Here I am, ready to test the fridge alarms on board the Wave Sentinel.
Yeah.
Hello James, did you get that?
Testing the press alarm. So yeah.
And now we'll come through, we'll test the
Tester.
fridge
Yeah.
alarm. Hello James, call that. Can you accept that please?
I'm here with Matt, the second officer. Still alarm. Yeah, we're going to reset the alarm.
Yeah, we'll accept it locally.
Yeah, so that's it. How to
There we go.
test the alarm in the fridge. So we're resetting that one. We'll start another fish room.
Here we go, into the depths of the ship.
Yeah, with the second officer again. Yeah. Yeah.
Here's the alarm.
The alarm
for
is
this
somebody
ship.
trapped there. So yeah.
Okay, I'm about to sound the alarm.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll hear.
Activated now.
Yeah, still the alarm there, so we have to reset it. Yeah, so that's how we test the alarm. Yeah.
Excellent.
Excellent. So we did the testing of alarm. Yeah.
We're now dancing in the fridge.
Yeah. Dancing in the moonlight, in the
In
fridge.
the moonlight.
All right. So this is how to test the alarm. Yeah.